Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a poll on Messenger. But before we start, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. To create a poll on Messenger, you'll need to have the Messenger app on your phone and make sure it's updated so that you can use this feature. Once you have Messenger open, click on the group chat that you want to create a poll for. To create a poll, click on the 4 dots button on the lower left corner of your screen. From there, you can choose to enable sharing your location or create a poll. For this video, we'll focus on creating a poll. Enter the question you want to ask and the options. You can add as many options as you want. Once you're happy with your question and options, click on Create Poll. To vote on the poll, simply click on the Vote button and choose the option that you want. Once you've selected your option, click on Submit. Your vote is now registered, and other members of the chat can also vote on the poll. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.